Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided that I wanted to do a decluttering series. So I've been really obsessed with watching minimalism and minimalist videos. So I really wanted to take more of a minimalist vibe. So I decided I wanted to do a declutter series so I can declutter every single room in my house. So if you need some inspiration to declutter any rooms in your house, hopefully this helps you out. So this is gonna be one of the first episodes. I'm actually decluttering my porch, which is like a little storage area that I have in my porch right before you get into my house. It is a hot mess, let me tell you. We just throw stuff in there and we don't know where anything is, and it's like, it's good storage, we need it. So I really wanted to make it organized, and you guys are gonna see that I do have a couple things I still want to do, but I just wanted to go ahead and get started because I don't want to wait for those things to come, and I'd rather just add it later. And then if you wanted to see any updates, definitely follow me on my Instagram. I will show you guys because I've been doing a lot of different things around my house that I haven't been filming on YouTube just because I just do it here and there. So definitely follow me on Instagram if you want to connect with me on there. So yeah, if you're new here, my name is Aryelle. I make a lot of different type of videos. Basically, they're mostly wellness videos. I really am into home decor, and then I want to start doing some woodwork. We'll see. I definitely want to learn that. But yeah, I do a lot of different videos here, so please subscribe to my channel. It's really easy. Just hit the subscribe button down below and make sure to put the notification bell on so you know whenever I post a new video. So let's get started. I'm actually going to show you guys me taking down my Christmas decor first, because that's gonna like tie into the that's gonna tie into the storage, because I'm gonna pack all of it away and then keep it downstairs. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you are decluttering with me, have fun. Let's have fun together. This is gonna be so relieving. I'm actually gonna be donating a lot of things, so I'm gonna show you guys at the end how many bags I actually have, and I do have a lot of bags. So let's get started with the declutter process. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how crazy insane this storage closet looks like. Oh my god. You can't really see anything. Sorry the lighting is a little off, but it's crazy. Like, look, stuff is just thrown in here. It's not organized. So we really need to get things situated. We need to have things in their place. So I'm going to start decluttering, and I just want to say, don't mind my attire. This was, I think, like 8 a.m. I had to do this before I had to do something else for the day, so I just wanted to get this out of the way so I can film it for you guys. So yeah, let's get the decluttering started. First thing I'm gonna do is take everything, every single little thing out of this storage closet so I can see what I'm working with. I have a bunch of plant pots in here. I have paint. I have random decor thrown in here, so I just really need to get everything out of the space so I can see what I'm working with here. Okay, now that somewhat of everything is out of this space, I'm gonna go through this bin that I used to keep my decor in. I'm actually gonna go through it and take everything out, what I don't need. See, I just found all this Christmas stuff that I could have used this year, but it's fine. So yeah, I'm going to go through this big bin that I just have random stuff thrown in here. I'm gonna throw away some things, I'm gonna donate some things, and I'm gonna keep some things. So I just make 3 little piles of keep, donate, and throw away. So that's what you see me doing here. And I think I'm just gonna get rid of this bin too and use it for another room when I organize. Honestly, before I did want to put anything in there, I did want to vacuum, but like I said, it's like 8 a.m. and my downstairs neighbor would not have appreciated hearing a vacuum out of his slumber. So we're just gonna throw the clear bin back in there. So you guys saw that I organized it before. I just have all of my Christmas stuff in there, so I'm just going to organize that. And then I have another bin that I got these bins from Target. And I have another bin that I use for all of my other decor because, you know, Christmas is such a huge holiday. And then I have like my fall stuff in there. So I'm just gonna organize those 2 bins on top of each other. And I found this cute little box that was full of like extra bags that I can use next year, extra Christmas cards. So I'm just gonna put that right on top since it can't fit into the clear bin. So these stackable shelf things, I don't really know what to call them. They are honestly a game changer. I used to use these all of the time, and now I just think they're an eyesore. So I'd rather just keep it in my storage closet so I can't really see it, but everything is organized. I got them from Aldi a couple of years ago, but I'll try to find it on Amazon for you guys and link it. But they are so awesome. You could just stack them together and you can put stuff underneath it, put stuff on top and in between. It's freaking awesome. I'm also going to be putting all of our tools inside of this little storage space because right now it's upstairs taking up so much space. So it'll definitely fit a lot better down here and it's going to be a lot more organized. So now we don't have to move things just to get to it. It's going to be right front and center. Oh my God, it's looking so good. I'm so excited. The things that I wanted to add, I did want to add a light in here since there's not a light in here already. I do want to organize a little bit better, but for now, I think this is perfect. It serves its purpose. Everything is organized, and I can't wait for you guys to see the final reveal. So let's take a look at the before, how crazy and out of control this storage unit is. Like, it's crazy. So I'm really excited. Here is the after. It's so organized. I still, like I said, want to do a couple more things to it, but I really love how it turned out. It looks so good. Now we know where to find everything and everything has its place. So if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up so I can keep creating decluttering videos. I mean, I do have them coming anyway, but definitely give this video a like anyway, just so I can, you know, show up on your feed a little bit more for the YouTube algorithm because, you know, all of the social media algorithms are kind of all over the place. So I really appreciate your support to support my channel. Subscribe. Definitely subscribe so you know whenever I post a video. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for clicking on this video and joining me on this decluttering process. This is the first episode. I'm really excited to give you guys some more things. And yeah, I hope you have a great rest of your day, night, whenever you're watching this. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.